Now to a developing story as jury selection gets underway in Hunter Biden's felony firearm trial. He's pleaded not guilty to lying about his history of drug use when buying a gun in 2018. This is the first time the child of a sitting president has been on trial. ABC's Perry Russum has the latest from Delaware.
Day one of jury selection in the trial of Hunter Biden, the first time the child of a sitting president is on trial. Hunter Biden arriving at the federal courthouse in Wilmington, Delaware this morning. The First Lady Jill Biden walking in minutes later, then sitting in the front row as potential jurors faced questions including their knowledge of the case, any personal struggles with addiction, and their thoughts on gun ownership. One juror excused after telling the judge gun ownership is a God-given right. Another dismissed after saying it seems like politics is playing a big role in who gets charged with what and when.
I think for the defense, I want to see, are they looking for an empathetic juror? I also looking to the government in terms of their prosecution and saying, hey, if you just follow the documents and you follow what he says, are you going to convict?
Hunter Biden spending the weekend in Delaware with his father, the president not in court, issuing a statement saying in part, as the president, I don't and won't comment on pending federal cases, but as a dad, I have boundless love for my son, confidence in him, and respect for his strength. Hunter Biden faces 3 felony charges related to buying this gun in 2018. Prosecutors say he was abusing drugs and accuse him of checking a box on an ATF form stating he was not actively using illegal narcotics. Hunter Biden has pleaded not guilty and has been public about his struggles with addiction.
I've made mistakes in my life and wasted opportunities and privileges I was afforded. For that, I'm responsible.
We have to wait and see how long it takes to seat a jury. This is a small state and home to the president. The trial should last 2 to 3 weeks. Perry Russum, ABC News, Wilmington, Delaware.